struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm will... The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles until 7:15 p.m. At 6:16 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds over 35 knots 8 nautical miles northeast of Belmer, moving north at 25 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Rockaway Inlet around 7 p.m., Jamaica Bay around 7:10 p.m., Middle Bay around 7:15 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible, and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following marine location: Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in